Hey everybody, welcome to Las Vegas. This city is electric. From the moment you step off the plane, you can feel the energy in the air. The lights, the sounds, the people. Everything about this place is designed to dazzle and entertain. Whether it's your first time here or you're a seasoned visitor, there's always something new and exciting to discover. It's known all around the world. The iconic skyline, the famous landmarks, and the endless entertainment options make it a top destination for travelers from every corner of the globe. People come here to escape the ordinary and dive into a world of extraordinary experiences. People come here for one reason: to have fun. Whether you're here to try your luck at the casinos, catch a world-class show, or simply soak in the vibrant atmosphere, Las Vegas has something for everyone. The Strip is always buzzing with activity, and there's never a dull moment. Whether you love to gamble or just want to enjoy the shows and attractions, Vegas has got it all. The casinos are legendary, offering everything from slot machines to high-stakes poker. And the shows? They're out of this world. From magic acts to musical performances, there's always something spectacular to see. It's like Disneyland for adults. The nightlife here is unparalleled, with countless bars, clubs, and lounges to explore. Whether you're looking to dance the night away or enjoy a quiet drink with friends, you'll find the perfect spot in Vegas. The neon lights and vibrant atmosphere make every night feel like a celebration. Las Vegas is a 24/7 party. The city never sleeps, and there's always something happening no matter what time it is. From late-night shows to early morning casino action, you can keep the fun going around the clock. It's a place where you can truly let loose and enjoy yourself. There's always something happening no matter what time it is. The Strip is alive with activity day and night, and you never know what you might stumble upon. Street performers, impromptu parties, and unexpected adventures await around every corner. It's a city that thrives on spontaneity and excitement. But it's not just about the casinos and nightlife. Las Vegas offers a surprising amount of relaxation and tranquility if you know where to look. Many of the hotels have luxurious pools and spas where you can unwind and recharge. You can also find beautiful gardens and quiet spots to escape the hustle and bustle. You can relax by the pool, see amazing shows, and enjoy a slower pace if that's what you're after. The shows in Vegas are some of the best in the world, featuring top talent and incredible production values. Whether you're into magic, music, or comedy, there's a show for you. And eat at some of the best restaurants in the world. The culinary scene in Las Vegas is second to none, with world-renowned chefs and a diverse array of dining options. From gourmet restaurants to casual eateries, you'll find something to satisfy every craving. Foodies will be in heaven here. And did I mention shopping? Get your wallets ready. Las Vegas is a shopper's paradise, with everything from high-end boutiques to unique local shops. Whether you're looking for designer fashion, souvenirs, or something special, you'll find it here. The shopping options are as diverse and exciting as the city itself. No matter what you're into, you're going to have a blast in Vegas. The city offers a little bit of everything, ensuring that every visitor finds something they love. Whether you're here for the thrills, the relaxation, or the endless entertainment, Las Vegas delivers an unforgettable experience. So buckle up and get ready for an unforgettable experience. Las Vegas is a city like no other, and it's waiting for you to explore and enjoy. From the moment you arrive to the moment you leave, you'll be immersed in a world of excitement, wonder, and endless possibilities. Welcome to fabulous Las Vegas. Now, let's talk weather. Las Vegas is in the middle of the desert. This means sunshine almost every single day. Summers are scorching hot. Be prepared for temperatures over 100 degrees. Winters are mild and pleasant. It rarely rains here. The best time to visit? Spring and fall are ideal. The weather is perfect then. You can enjoy all the outdoor activities without melting. Plus, the prices are usually a little lower during these seasons. Bonus! Las Vegas is famous for its incredible hotels. The city is a dazzling oasis in the desert, known for its vibrant nightlife, entertainment, and of course, its luxurious accommodations. Whether you're looking for opulence or something more budget-friendly, Las Vegas has it all. These hotels are like destinations in themselves. Each one offers a unique experience, from world-class dining to extravagant shows and casinos. Walking through the lobbies, you can feel the energy and excitement that Las Vegas is known for. If you want to splurge, check out the Bellagio. This iconic hotel is a symbol of luxury and elegance. From its grand entrance to its lavish rooms, the Bellagio offers an unforgettable experience. It's known for its stunning fountain show. The Bellagio fountains are a must-see, with water dancing to music in a mesmerizing display. It's a perfect spot for a romantic evening or a family outing. The Venetian is another great option. Inspired by the beauty of Venice, Italy, this hotel offers a unique and enchanting experience. It has canals and gondolas. You can take a leisurely ride through the hotel's indoor canals, complete with singing gondoliers. It's like being transported to Italy without leaving Las Vegas. Just like being in Italy, the attention to detail is incredible, making it a favorite among visitors who want a taste of European charm. Don't worry if you're on a budget. Las Vegas offers a wide range of accommodations to suit every pocket. You don't have to break the bank to enjoy a comfortable stay in this vibrant city. There are tons of affordable hotels, too. These budget-friendly options provide all the essentials without compromising on comfort. Many of them are conveniently located near the main attractions, so you can still be in the heart of the action. Circus is a classic. It's great for families. This hotel offers a fun and lively atmosphere with its indoor amusement park and circus acts. It's a hit with kids and adults alike. And for you young folks, there are plenty of hostels. These are perfect for travelers looking to meet new people and share experiences. Hostels in Las Vegas are known for their friendly vibe and social activities. They are a fun way to meet people. Whether you're traveling solo or with friends, staying in a hostel can add a whole new dimension to your Las Vegas adventure. From luxury to budget-friendly, Las Vegas truly has something for everyone. Get ready to eat. Las Vegas has some of the best restaurants in the world. You can find everything here, from celebrity chef restaurants to all-you-can-eat buffets. For a special occasion, try Joel Robuchon. It has multiple Michelin stars. But don't worry, you don't have to break the bank. There are plenty of affordable places too. In-N-Out Burger is a must-try. It's a California classic. And for a quick bite, check out the food trucks. They're everywhere. Section 5. Getting around town. Taxis, monorails, and more. Las Vegas is a big city, but getting around is easy. Taxis are plentiful. You can find them lined up outside major hotels, casinos, and attractions, ready to whisk you away to your next destination. Whether you're heading to a show, a restaurant, or just exploring the city, taxis are a convenient option. Just be prepared for traffic on the Strip. The Las Vegas Strip is known for its vibrant nightlife and bustling activity, which means traffic can get quite heavy, especially during peak hours. It's always a good idea to factor in some extra time if you're planning to travel by taxi. The average ride costs about $15 to $20. Keep in mind that fares can vary depending on the time of day and the distance traveled. It's also customary to tip your driver, so be sure to have some cash on hand. A fun and affordable option is the Las Vegas monorail. This sleek, modern transportation system glides above the streets, offering a unique perspective of the city. It's a great way to avoid the traffic and get to your destination quickly. It runs behind the casinos on the east side. The monorail has several convenient stops along the Strip, making it easy to hop on and off as you explore different attractions. It costs just a few dollars per ride. You can purchase tickets at the stations or online for added convenience. There are also options for unlimited ride passes if you plan to use the monorail multiple times during your stay. Plus, you get to skip the traffic. The monorail is not only efficient, but also offers a comfortable and air-conditioned ride, which can be a relief during the hot summer months. Walking is also a great way to explore. The Strip is pedestrian-friendly, with wide sidewalks and pedestrian bridges that make it easy to get around on foot. You'll find plenty of sights to see and things to do as you stroll along. But be careful in the summer heat. Las Vegas can get extremely hot, especially during the summer months. Make sure to stay hydrated, wear sunscreen, and take breaks in the shade or indoors to avoid heat exhaustion. Whether you choose to take a taxi, ride the monorail, or walk, there are plenty of options to help you get around and enjoy all that Las Vegas has to offer. Section 6. Unlock the rewards. Joining the Players Club. Now, let's talk casinos. Almost every casino has a Players Club. It's free to join. You just need your ID. When you gamble, use your card. You'll earn points towards free stuff. Think free meals, show tickets, even rooms. Even if you don't gamble much, it's worth signing up. You might get lucky and win something. And who doesn't love free stuff? It's like a souvenir from your trip. Section 7. Relaxation awaits. Indulge in a luxurious massage. Need a break from all the excitement? Las Vegas is full of spas. Many hotels have award-winning spas. These offer everything from massages to facials. A massage is the perfect way to unwind after a long day of sightseeing or gambling. You can find spas all over the city. Prices vary depending on the treatment. But hey, you're on vacation. Treat yourself. Section 8. The Entertainment Capital, Shows, Casinos, and More. Las Vegas is the entertainment capital of the world. There's a show for everyone. Cirque du Soleil is a must-see. Their acrobatics and artistry will blow your mind. For music lovers, there are always big-name concerts. And of course, there are the casinos. You can find every type of game imaginable. Blackjack, poker, roulette, you name it. Table limits vary, so you can find a game that suits your budget. Section 9. Family fun in the City of Lights. Think Las Vegas is just for adults? Think again. There's plenty for kids to do too. The Mandalay Bay Aquarium is amazing. You can see sharks, sea turtles, and even a giant octopus. The Adventure Dome at Circus Circus is an indoor amusement park. It has roller coasters, bumper cars, and more. And don't forget about the shows. Many shows are family-friendly. Just check the age restrictions beforehand.